5 years ago, late at night, someone rang my doorbell 4 times. I woke up annoyed and didn't open. I wasn't expecting anyone. The next night, it happened again. 4 rings. I looked through the peephole. No one was there. During the day, I told the story and joked, maybe death just got the wrong door. On the 3rd night, a friend was visiting. The bell rang again. I ignored it to test if I was imagining things, but he heard it too. After my story, he laughed and said, "Let's deal with these pranksters." He ran outside. That was the last time I saw him alive. He didn't disappear. On his way home, he was beaten by a drunk group. He died in the hospital. The ringing stopped. I remembered this story because last night, someone rang my doorbell again, 3 times.